Hey YouTube friends. Alright, I know, I'm up here, so we'll lower this down some. Okay. Alright, so I got the console done. Sorry, you're not going to get my face shut, but you're not watching to see me anyhow. So, anyhow, got it all painted, primered it, painted it. The carpet, I think, is still a little damp. Yeah, not really. I think it turned out really good. Worked pretty much assembling it. I'm going to put... I really don't want this stereo back in there, but keep it from being just a gaping hole. So I figure out something else. Guess I really don't have much of a choice. So this ain't on camera, but this is just putting the... This thing came with a cassette player. Like I said, eventually I'm going to change that out. Make it into a little storage spot. But as you can see, it's got the cassette player. I'll get a close up here in a minute. I know there's two snaps down here. Oh, there. That's why I lined up. There's that one. There we go. 4 clips on that. There's that. Cup holder boot. Goes in there like that. Trim. There. CD tray. There she goes. One left. And to go. I don't know why. coin container. This is coming apart. I'll probably have to glue it, but it's good enough for now, I think. Go in there. Yep. Perfect. Here's the back piece. Here. And the insert. It will go there. And then you got this insert. Goes right there. And let's see here. Go. I'll have to get the Camaro out today and go ahead and wash it and polish it and get it covered up. But well, I was just told, I haven't looked at it yet, but I guess it's supposed to get a little bit of bad weather this weekend. Of course, bad weather here isn't what I'm used to up north, but, or what I grew up with. I can't say I'm used to it anymore. Oh, I do miss it. That goes in like this. Of course, I'll probably have to change this. I don't know if this bracket system is going to work. But it is what it is. This goes here. That's right, those go there. Switched up in bits prematurely. Oh well. Durability test. Hey, it passed. Hardest thing getting one started. I can turn and line up the bracket right there for the other two. Okay. Well, that can't go in there yet. Now, switch this back again. Needs to be slid back some. Not much. But a tad bit. And I don't know if it can. Take this off. Of course, this can be adjusted some too, but I'm not worried about it. It's locking down. Not like it's that secure. As long as it closes when I drop it, and it does. All right, let's see where we're at. Here, just gotta go back up to the shed. Okay, I use the primer and then the vinyl fabric. I actually went with a light gray and then went with the charcoal on everything. Did multiple thin coats. The probably key thing to it is thin coats. More thin coats than one big ass coat. So make sure you go, if you go to do one, you do that. Saw an article in a YouTube video of somebody, I thought it was Hot Rod Magazine, did a test on a new system that's out, and they even cut the plastic afterwards and it soaked in. I couldn't find it, so this is what AutoZone and O'Reilly's had in stock, and Advance Auto. So this is what I got. Tried it, and I think it turned out pretty good. So, and I'll shoot a video once I get inside the vehicle, get it put in. We'll shoot one, take a look at it, see how it does. But overall, it really cleaned up nice. I'm gonna swap the camera view. All right. You see, the carpet turned out good. There's the cassette player I won't be using. I'll change that in the future. Make it a storage bin or something. I might just leave it. Not that worried about it. Coin holder. Lift it up. And of course, I took it, as you saw, completely apart. You got this bin, then you got the big bin, and then of course that pulls out and you got the brackets. Another one had the ashtray in the back. I thought this one did. This one doesn't. I got a dummy plate. I'll probably go back and get one. I don't know why. I just like, you know, if it's an option, I'd like to have it. But I think it turned out very sharp looking. Very nice. So, that's it. It'll be going in. Probably won't do it today because I really don't want the smell inside the Blazer. Let it air out a couple days, and then I'll go in and I'll do the install, and I'll shoot a video on that. I'm gonna try to switch out the hood, buff it out today, clean it up. Maybe even the tailgate. I'm not sure if I want to do that today. The roof rack, if we're supposed to be getting a little bit of snow this weekend, I'll hold off on it because I want to make sure it gets sealed up all the way. And that's basically it. So thanks for tuning in. Comment, share. Please hit that like button. It really helps out. Gets my videos out there so more people can watch it. And I appreciate it. So comment. Thanks a lot. Talk to you all later.